Hey Glees! Welcome to a new video. I am Gigi. Today we will see the magic of simple machines. Look, this rock is not moving at all.
If I make a lever, then lifting this will become easy.
Lever? What is that?
A lever is a simple machine which is made of a rod and a support. When we apply force from one side, the weight on the other side lifts.
Meaning we can apply less force and do more work.
Exactly. This is the magic of lever. Small effort, big result. We use levers every day, like seesaw, scissors, crowbar, and broom.
Wow! Meaning engineering is hidden everywhere.
A lever is made of 3 parts. Fulcrum, where the lever is supported, effort, where we apply force, and load, the weight that has to be lifted.
So if we change the position of the fulcrum, then force can become more or less?
Exactly right. This is called mechanical advantage.
Look, I made a robotic lever. When the motor rotates, the lever lifts the block.
Technology and engineering, perfect combo.
The ratio of the length of the lever is also important. If the effort arm is long, then with less force a bigger weight can be lifted.
So math is also hidden in the lever. Wow, Matho! See, a lever can be made with a pencil and
eraser.
When I apply force, the other side lifts up.
Simple machines are made from simple tools, but the result is powerful.
Always practice with safe objects. When lifting heavy things, always take help from an elder.
Safety first, Glees. Your challenge is find 3 levers in home or school and see which part is fulcrum, load, and effort. Today we learned the power of the lever. Next time we will meet with a new topic, the magic of pulleys.